Hey everyone! Welcome back to this channel. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated Huawei Pura X, a phone that's turning heads with its stunning design and next-gen features. Is it just hype? Or is this the new king of flagship smartphones? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Let's find out. First off, let's talk about the design. The Huawei Pura X is absolutely gorgeous, ultra slim at just 7.2 millimeters thick and weighing around 193.7 grams. It's got a curved-edge LTPO OLED display with a symmetrical, almost jewelry-like camera island at the back. The build feels ultra-premium, with ceramic glass on both sides and IP68 dust and water resistance. Now the display is amazing. We're looking at a 6.3-inch OLED panel, 120 Hz refresh rate, and an insane peak brightness of 2,500 nits. Resolution? A crispy 1,320 by 2,120 pixels. This means buttery smooth scrolling, deep blacks, and absolutely vibrant colors. Whether you're gaming, binge watching, or just doom scrolling Twitter. Under the hood, the Pura X rocks Huawei's in-house Kirin 9020 processor, built on a 7nm process. Performance is smooth across the board. Multitasking, gaming, heavy apps, no sweat. Paired with 12 GB and 16 GB RAM and storage options start from 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB. It's a beast. Of course, it runs HarmonyOS 5.0 globally. Still no Google services, but App Gallery has grown a lot and most apps are easy to sideload. And here's where the Pura X really flexes. You get a 50-megapixel ultralighting main camera with variable aperture, f1.4 to f4.0, an 8-megapixel telephoto lens with 3.5x optical zoom, and a 40-megapixel ultra-wide for those epic landscapes. Selfies are handled by a sharp 10.7-megapixel front camera. Huawei's XD Fusion Pro imaging engine delivers stunning detail, even in low light. Night mode, super macro, 4K video at 60 frames per second. It's got it all. Battery life? Fantastic. A 4,720 mAh battery powers the Pura X, with 66-watt wired SuperCharge and 40-watt wireless charging. You can top up from 0 to 70% in just about 20 minutes. That's crazy fast. Plus, there's reverse wireless charging if you want to juice up your earbuds on the go. Some cool extras: 3D face unlock plus in-display fingerprint scanner, satellite messaging for emergencies, AI-powered photo editing and object removal, stereo speakers tuned with Huawei Histon sound. So, is the Huawei Pura X worth it? Gorgeous design, mind-blowing camera system, super reliable battery, and performance. Of course, no Google services might be a deal-breaker for some, but if you can live with that, the Pura X delivers one of the best Android experiences in 2025. Let me know. What do you think of the Pura X? Would you switch to Huawei? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tech reviews. Catch you in the next one.